Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 8 of Off the Board, and my inspiration is this beautiful layout. Love the bright colours, absolutely gorgeous. It's so bright and fun. Mine is going to be a little bit more muted, but what I'm using this layout for as inspiration is the love hearts and the stitching around the border. I think that looks really cool. So I don't know how much mine will look like that. Oh gosh, words are hard. Gosh, sentences are hard obviously today. I don't know how much mine is going to look like that, but that is my inspiration. So the photos I'm doing today are of a cake that my daughter made. She decided that she wanted to get into trying a little bit of cake decorating. So this is just icing that she's piped on, and yeah, she had it in her head she wanted to do it, so she nagged and nagged and nagged to go and get a cake mix, and then she made it and did all the icing, and yeah, she had a great time. So she apparently wants to do some more, so we'll see how that goes, because she has a habit of and I don't know whether anyway, she has a habit of wanting to do something, and then once she's mastered it, that's it, she wants to move on to something else. So whether she'll come back to this or not, I don't know. It came out, I don't know if she expected it to come out better or worse or whatever, but yeah, anyway, kids in the kitchen, huh? So they're the photos. Sorry, I've got my title and I have my white cardstock already on the base, and this base is this piece of paper from Basic Grey, and I got these really dirt cheap. They're like 10 cents a sheet, so I've got like 10 of this one and lots of different other ones, and they're really cheap. And I thought, how on earth am I going to use this? And then went, well, hang on, I don't need to use this. I can just use the pink border for lots and lots of different pages, and that's exactly what I've done today. So I can't say the word that starts with U and ends with Y, apparently. I tried to post something on Facebook with that word in it, and it kept blocking it, wouldn't let me post it. So anyway, the not so pretty papers, you can still use them, just use them as a backing. Anyway, that's what I wanted to say about that paper. I'm going to, for my hearts, I'm not going to punch out hearts or anything like that. I'm actually going to stamp some hearts instead, and I'm not going to do proper stitching on my layout. I'm going to do fake stitching with a pen because I'm too lazy to go over to where my sewing machine is, and my sewing machine has white thread in it at the moment. I'm too lazy to thread it with black, so let's just be real, and I'm going to use pen. I'm stamping in 3 different colours, 2 pinks and like 2 apricot-y type colours, Calypso Coral, Flirty Flamingo and Melon Mambo. I've got a bunch of embellishments here. I don't know what's going to land on the page, and I also have 3 swaps that I might possibly use. This one I made, and there's a video coming out, possibly already out, on how I made them. And I got these 2 swaps in a kitchen swap, so I'm going to use this one, I think. And where it's pink, sorry, it was actually a really light mauve. It didn't match the layout, so I changed it to pink. I just went over it with a pink, what is this, polished pink alcohol marker, and coloured in the mauve, so now it works on the layout. This one as well, the bowls were red, and these containers were like this sort of green but darker, and I went, well, that doesn't match the embellishments I possibly may use because they're quite a bright green. So I went over them with a white paint pen. Is that what they're called? Posca paint pens. And it made them look a little bit more motley and took the colour down a little bit, so now it'll work on the page. I was going to go over these with a different green to match these leaves, because I may use these, but I went, well, I don't know, because I may use these as well, which is a matching sort of green. Who knows? So I don't know. But they're 2 swaps that I recently got. And if you are in a swapping group and you get a swap you don't like, you don't have to keep it like that. You can change it. You can colour over them. You can take bits off, whatever. So yeah, just wanted to mention that. And this one I just realised has purple enamel dots on it. So I'm going to try and get them off. Oops. And we will see. Actually, they might be... Let me experiment. Probably make a right real mess of it. But I want to see if I can colour these. Oh, sugar. I think they are, what are they called? Nouveau drops or something, because they're not really coming off. If I colour them to make them a slightly different colour. Yeah, they're Nouveau drops because that one's not round. Or something like that. Slightly change the colour. I don't know. I might have made it worse. I could actually, like, put another embellishment or something on top of there, like an enamel dot or something, and it'll cover that up. So anyway, let's get this page started. there's my page. A lot of the hearts got covered up, but that doesn't matter. You can still see lots. I knew some would have to get covered up, and I wasn't going to be bothered trying to work out where the photos went, so I just stamped the whole page of hearts, and I think it's really pretty. I think they just are really pretty. I love the stamp itself. It's nice and detailed, and this is such a girly page, which is not my daughter, but anyway, she made a girly cake, so you know. This swap is really cool. I love it. It works on the page. I kept the title simple, Budding Baker. Oh, and I need a little love heart on the eye. Wait a minute, it's not quite finished. A tiny little, there we go, Budding Baker. Yeah, the stitching around the side, I was going to do all zigzag stitch. I went, no, this is too hard, so I just did a little bit and then finished with the straight lines. And I was thinking of doing zigzag down here as well, but I just did the one line with the occasional crosses on it. So yeah, I think it works. And that is my page, and I think it's got enough of the inspiration to say it's copied from that page, or cased. No, what's the word? Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. I told you at the start of this video, words are hard, sentences are hard today. Lucky I could actually do a layout, obviously. Alright, if you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the playlist below, everyone else playing along. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out, and I'll try and talk proper in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.